Now the next that we study is the demographic dividend. What do we mean by the dividend? Dividend, we mean the profit that we can take out of this increase in population. How can we use it in a way so that it becomes profitable to us? Now, 63% of population is in the age group of 15 to 64 years. Now your workforce age, the age in which people can work and they can contribute in production, is 15 to 64 years. Children who are in the age group of 0 to 14 are considered dependent, and people who are 64 plus are senior citizens, and they are also dependent population. The plus point with our population is that 63% of our population at present is under this age group, 15 to 64 years. Now, if the fertility rate declines, it means that the number of children or the number of dependents that will be added is reduced. And as we know, the average age is 66 years of an Indian. So, number of dependents, when the number of dependents is reduced, we can use the present population for productive purpose more, because whatever output would be produced, the ratio of dependent to workforce population would be less. So whatever will be produced, we will not need to provide more for the dependent population. So when the fertility rate declines, we can, and the workforce and the population, the remaining population is in workforce, we can derive more and more profit out of it. How can we derive profit out of it? For that, it is very essential that the population that is in this age group should be provided with better health care, and they should be skillfully developed. Only then they can contribute in production. Only then they can be an asset to the society or to the economy. When they are healthy, they are skillful. And on this, the government has to pay attention so that we can reap more and more dividend out of it. Otherwise, if the population is in that age group, but if they are not healthy, they are not producing more, and they are not skillfully developed, they are not employed, then it will, instead of becoming a demographic dividend, it will become a demographic liability. So this is our strength at the moment. 63% of our population is in this age group, and by 2026 it is expected that 68.4% of the population will be in this age group. They should have better healthcare facilities, and they should be skillfully developed so that they can yield high production and growth in the economy. And the dependency ratio has also declined to 0.59 in 2011 because the birth rate has fallen down. So demographic dividend is the profit that we can accrue of the large population base that we have in the work age group, that is 15 to 64 years. This is our demographic dividend. This is the positive point of our increase in population, that majority is in this age group. And whereas this is the drawback that China has. Though they have a population larger than us, but their majority of population is going towards a dependent age group, whereas we are the ones which are in the productive age group. So we should use them to its optimum level. So this is what demographic dividend is all about.